Sorry, I'm missing that workflow field creation here. No more copy. Sequencing and record history. Delete. Nothing, this thing. Yeah, sorry, what we do. First thing, here you have summary, here you have field right. Create a new workflow field, let's say test field. Okay, I'll make it as Boolean. Boolean is called checkbox. Here right. And then save it. So this is the workflow field we have created. The field already exists, okay, great, we'll have to create test. Workflow field, which is checkbox. Okay, oh, now two fields are created. Great, I'll delete the first one now. We have this field here, we go to the same action, okay, or we add a new action, maybe, and then what we do. We select that custom action which is our disk script, and we store the result in. Why it is not coming? Test. Which would be a checkbox. Save. Okay. So we have this parameter created here. So now we go to workflow. Cancel new action. Store. Store results and test parameter here. Value field. Test workflow field. Okay, so that's how we have enabled this. Now what happens? This workflow will trigger on entry itself, right, and it will show wherever you enter the quantity as 0. This will throw an alert for you. So this is how we define it. Okay, the script.